Okay, it's been ages since I actually wanted to start on with my traveling journey, but I was unable to decide the perfect first place for myself. And after weeks of putting thought into it, I've come to this one conclusion that the perfect place for me to start with doesn't exist. And I've realized that it's not about perfection. It's actually about starting it off, and it's actually about taking steps to chase your dream or your passion that you have within yourself and trying to turn that into a reality. So last night when I was almost asleep, this hit me. And this is like right now it's 5 a.m. and I've decided to do this thing, and this might sound very crazy, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go to New Delhi railway station. I'm gonna buy a ticket to the destination which sounds most intriguing to me, most exciting, and I'm basically just going with my instinct, my gut feeling. And this is gonna be very random. I'm very excited, I'm very pumped, I'm very thrilled, but also scared because I don't know what city will I be in by the end of this day. So let's see how it goes. Also, this is my backpack, and I've decided to actually carry a few jackets along with me. It's the month of April, but I don't know what the weather is gonna be because I don't know where I'm headed, and I'm very excited. I can't even express how excited I am, but it's actually time that I leave, and I'll catch you on the journey. Thank you so much. Wish me luck. Okay, the nearest metro station is like 10 minutes walking distance from my home. So I thought of actually taking a walk till the metro station because it was 6 a.m. and I thought, what's the harm? And the minute I stepped my foot outside my home, this is what happened. It started raining. It hasn't rained in Delhi since like months, and it's exciting to see that this happened on such an important day of my life, and I'm really excited. There's a lot of wind here. जहाँ जैसे मैं यहाँ पे पहुँचा बारिश रुक गई. मैं इस न्यू दिल्ली रेलवे स्टेशन आया. इट्स द लार्जेस्ट रेलवे स्टेशन इन दिल्ली, एंड यहाँ पे 16 प्लेटफॉर्म दे वर्किंग, एंड दिस इज द व्यू. सो यहाँ पे मैंने काउंटर पे जाकर आई आस्क्ड द रेलवे ऑफिसर्स, आई एक्चुअली आस्क्ड देम कैन टेल मी अ डेस्टिनेशन वेयर शुड आई गो, एंड काफ़ी देर बात करने के बाद उन्होंने मुझे सजेस्ट किया दैट आई शुड गो टू बीकानेर. एंड उनको एक बार को यही शक हुआ था कि दैट आई एम रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम माई हाउस, एंड आई कन्विंस देम नो दैट आई एम नॉट डूइंग दिस इज समथिंग एल्स, आई एम अ ट्रैवलर. एंड फाइनली आई हैव बॉट टिकट टू बीकानेर राजस्थान, एंड आई हैव टू एक्चुअली चेंज द रेलवे स्टेशन बिकॉज यहाँ से कोई टिकट अवेलेबल नहीं थी. So the train starting in like leaving Delhi in 1 hour, and I have to rush there. It's 15 or 20 minutes away. So I'll have to take a auto or a cab. Let's just see. I'm really pumped. I don't know what is happening. Everything is going so crazy. Let's see what happens. He helped me to the destination. Finally, then I had to take something to come up here. If I took the metro, there's a possibility that I would have missed this train. But then I took the auto, and I'm here. The auto guy helped me with the platform number and everything, and he made sure that I didn't miss my train. The train behind me is my ride to Bikaner. This train is beautiful. So I'm pumped, I'm thrilled. Bikaner it is, Rajasthan, here I come. So now I know that I'll be in Rajasthan by the end of the day. So this is exciting. I'm pumped. I have my luggage. I just bought some biscuits and water for my journey. I'll have lunch on the way. I'll reach This is 8:30 right now, and I'm gonna reach at 4:30 something. So my train leaves around 8:40. I don't know what is gonna happen. This journey is so exciting, and I finally made it. Thank you so much.
लुक छुप ना जाओ जी, मन बीत कराओ जी। रा क्यों तरसावे हो, मन सकल दिखाओ जी। थारी शरारत सब जानू मैं चौधरी, अरसले उन बंगा दी मैं कह लगे। मर बिगड़ में जागी धोकनी, चंदा में थारी चांदनी। मन दामन में पापी खुशी रे, झुम 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 बाजुम। मर बिगड़ में जागी धोकनी, चंदा में थारी चांदनी। मन दामन में पापी खुशी रे, झुम 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 बाजुम।
Okay, I just arrived to Bikaner. Yeah. So it's been fantastic so far. I've traveled 500 kilometers. Just full of sand landscape, beautiful, and it was raining. The minute I landed here, it started raining again. It had just stopped and started to shoot. So I'm completely full with sand right now. I need to take a shower. I'm gonna get a room, take a shower.
मोहरे लिया तूने ऐसा खिलाता, खावे खिंच कोले मारे मनकी ना।
Okay, I've made it to Bikaner, Rajasthan, and I've checked into this amazing hotel by the name of City Palace, Bikaner. It is right in the center of Bikaner, and it is very close to the main tourist attraction, which is the Junagadh Fort. It's been crazy, it's been fun, it's been enriching, and I've learned a lot. I've met a lot of new people, I've made good friends with them, and I've also got to know a lot about lives of an entrepreneur, an architect, an engineer at Delhi Metro, a ladies garment shop seller, a civil service aspirant, a navy officer, and whom not. The journey has been amazing. I had a tropical 500 kilometers train journey with full of sand landscape. It was a beautiful view, though it was very tiring. It took me 8 hours to actually reach to Bikaner, and then it took me another 1 or 2 hours to actually decide a hotel to stay with, and this is going amazing. All thanks to one thing, my instinct. I followed my instinct, which led me to this wonderful place, made me new friends, and made me experience this wonderful place. So my point here is that you can't always know what lies ahead of you, and you can't plan everything. So sometimes it is important that you follow your instinct and actually just go with it and do what does your heart say is right. That's my time. I'll see you with the next video. Thank you so much. Goodbye. By the way, it is still raining.